So hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you one of the util functions in SmowCode. It's called apply trigonometric functions. It is a very simple function which gives you an output based on the trigonometric function which you put in as a parameter. So if you go to its properties, you can see that there's a parameter called trigonometric in which you can choose which trigonometric function you want an output for. So there's sine, cos, tan, sin h, cos h, tan h, a sin, a cos, a tan, and a tan square. For this video I'm going to do sine, and the value has to be put in radians. This is not in degrees. So this is equivalent to sine 90 degrees, and in radians it's sine 1.570796. So I have put this exact value so that we get the output as exactly 1. It is pretty accurate, and if we put in cos 1.57, it might give us 0.0009 or something like that. But in this case we should get a perfect one, and now I'm going to upload the code to our ESP32. So our code has been uploaded to our ESP32. Now let's connect the CL display to see the output. As I've used on start for this and not the on interval, there are no repeated outputs. So you'd need to press the reset button on the ESP32 so that the ESP32 resets, and there as you can see, we get an output of 1.000000. And if I reset it again, you can see you will get the output once again. So this is how you use the apply trigonometric functions in SmowCode.